Guys, this is my '06 BMW, and guess what? This hood won't stay open. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to replace your shocks, and it's not really that much money. I see a lot of guys or a lot of people riding around with cars and vehicles where their struts just worn out. All you got to do is get a new one, throw it on your vehicle. But we'll show you how to do that right now. So yeah, this is going to be the first thing I ever repair on the BMW. I got her sitting here up on the stands. I got more stands for her. We're going to get into this one. But yeah, this one should be easy. So let me set you up here and I'm going to show you. You see this thing? Before I get all the way, set you up there. You're definitely going to need something to prop the hood up. This is just a pole, something I got with the car. That's pretty much all you're going to need. Plus a flathead screwdriver, a little tiny one, but let me show you. Okay, so this is the full stroke of the cylinder. The hood, it's like, I'm like pushed up on it. So what you're gonna wanna do, you see this, where's the camera at? This right here is a very tiny precision flat screwdriver. What you wanna do is take it, put it in there, and kind of like slide it forward. So, blam. And what this does is, once it's down here, those tabs come in and clamp the ball that's on the vehicle side, on both ends, I might add. So, that's all you're going to want to do. I'm going to prep the new one like that. Slide it up. Some guys take it off. I don't like to do that because then you got to struggle with putting it back on there. I just like to slide it up. And usually there's enough space to just pop it on there. So, same thing with the car, but you could be a little more damaging with your bad ones, since you know they're bad. Right, so just pop it off of there. And let's see here. See, that didn't really want to slide, so blam. Tops off. Now for the bottom, and be aware of your orientation. Because see how the gas strut is up that way? I'm going to try to mimic that. And if you see here, same length, same thing. So, pop it on. Now, you're probably going to want to push up. Blam. Let's see. Can I take her off? Let's try taking her off. One, hold the whole hood. Yes, look at that. Easy. Amazing how easy this is. And you're gonna definitely want to pop this back in place. So you kind of have to slide it back down. Don't be alarmed, that's just my prop falling. And same thing on the bottom. Now, some of these are kind of advanced to where you don't even have to move the clip. You can just pop it on there. But I don't know if that's the kind of style I had. So just as a precaution, I like to pull it back anyways. But there you have it. One strut holds my whole hood. Now, to repeat for the other side over there, and yeah, you're done. But hold on. So guys, it turns out these are the type of shocks that you can just pop on there. Blam. You don't even need to slide the pin out or the clip out to pop them on there. And job's done. That's it. We went from a hood that didn't hold itself up to a hood that holds itself up for 80 bucks total. I know this is a BMW, but come on, guys. It's not that bad. But yeah, that's it, guys. So stay tuned for the series. Well, what am I calling it? The Busted Beamer Bentley Project Break My Wallet. We're going to go through this thing and we're going to get it right. Couple other issues. Like we got a leak. We got a massive leak down in that engine bay. I don't know if you probably can't tell. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's a better look at it. Look at all that. Look at all that on the engine block. Just nastiness. And it runs like you got oil clear up to here on the air cleaner box. So I don't know what the hell. Like I kind of think something from the engine that spins went and it's flinging it. It's kind of what it seems like. I hope it's not the seal, but because if it's the main seal, I'm screwed. But yeah, it's like even if you come around here, you got some valve cover leak. So that's one of the common issues, and that job needs done. So yeah, we got a bunch of work to do to this thing. Let me take a look while I'm here. Take a look at this motor mount. It doesn't look too bad, but then again, maybe it does. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put hands on that guy. Let's see what else we can see. Yeah, that oil leak is like tragic. Tragic. I mean, I could only hope that it's leaking from like here and it's dripping down, which is a possibility because the oil cooler is right here. But it being over there, like in the alternator, supposedly this thing got a new alternator, which, yeah, that's not an OEM part. Yeah, it's not looking great. It is not looking great. But like I said, we'll get into all that in upcoming videos. If you like, you can check out my social medias, linked down in the description, or my support links. A brother would appreciate it if you checked out my support links. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.